Welcome to this lesson on the present tense of the verb to be in question form. In this video, we will learn how to ask questions using am, are, and is. These are the most common questions in English, so mastering them is very important for beginners. The key rule for forming questions with the verb to be is that the verb always comes first. Unlike statements where the verb comes in the middle, in questions the verb moves to the beginning. For example, instead of saying, "You are late," we ask, "Are you late?" This verb-first pattern is essential for all present tense questions. Different pronouns require different forms of the verb to be. With the pronoun I, we use am. With you, we, and they, we use are. With he, she, and it, we use is. Remember these combinations. Am I, are you, is he or she or it, are we, are you plural, are they? This matching between pronoun and verb form is crucial. When someone asks you a yes or no question using the verb to be, you should answer with a short answer. For positive responses, repeat the subject pronoun with the appropriate form of to be. For example, is she a teacher? Answer, yes, she is. For negative responses, use the contraction form. No, she isn't. Always keep your answers short and natural. Here are some real-life examples of questions you will encounter. Questions about people. Is he your brother? Are they your friends? Questions about feelings. Are you tired? Is she happy? Questions about location. Is it in the kitchen? Are we late? Questions about jobs. Is she a doctor? Are you a student? These topics are very common in everyday conversations. Let's compare positive and negative answers side by side. When asked, "Are you ready?" a positive answer is yes, I am. The negative answer is no, I'm not. Notice the contraction. When asked, "Is she a doctor?" the positive answer is yes, she is. The negative answer is no, she isn't. Pay attention to these contractions as they are very natural in spoken English. Let me summarize the three most important rules. Rule 1, the verb always comes first in a question. Rule 2, match the verb form to the pronoun. Use am with I, are with you, we and they, and is with he, she, and it. Rule 3, always use short answers by repeating the subject pronoun and the appropriate form of the verb. These 3 rules will help you form and answer questions correctly. Now let's practice forming questions. First example, how do you ask if someone is hungry? The answer is, are you hungry? Second example, how do you ask if she is a nurse? The answer is she a nurse? Third example, how do you ask if they are excited? The answer is, are they excited? Try to form more questions using these patterns. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.